We've been working on our dark collection for several years. We decided to go outdoors and take a journey to the desert to observe nature and explore the organic materials there. Night changes our perception of what's around us. We are hoping to open up to a well of new ideas and inspirations. We wanted to see how various stones hold colors and different hues at night. Everything gets a new dimensionality and infinity of black. The Black Temple design has a complex composition of mineral-like layers. It captures the qualities of natural stone like travertine and slate. Warm whites expand across the slab in contrast to its black base. We were inspired by the night sky and the ocean tide at nighttime. The obsidian has an industrial appeal with patinas and textures. There's a desire to capture the mysterious essence of alchemy, which is obtained here with metallic looks and finishes. We sought out metals in their natural state as they are extracted from the earth. The experience and know-how of the design team enable us to portray alloys and metals within a quartz surface. Dark colors can be dramatic, bold and mysterious, or warm and comforting. Our senses are heightened in the dark, and with darkness comes a world of calm and comfort as we return to our homes at night. Dark tones are an entirely rich world of inspiration.